Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to order shoes in Zappos. So Zappos is owned by Amazon. It is an Amazon adjacent online store. You can also use your Amazon account to register or sign up for Zappos. And after you've signed up, of course, you sign in, as you can see. I blurred out my name because I don't want, anyway. So Zappos is a shoe online store, right? For example, we want to buy, I don't know, this one, New Balance Run for the Trails. You want to buy that, just click on that. Choose the one that you want to buy. For example, this one, the black one, right? Choose that. It's $150 pretty much. And you could choose what color. Let's go with this one, Gulf Red Licorice. And it's woman size, right? So it's for girls. Let's say I'm buying this for my girlfriend. Let's say, like you could choose a size. Let's say she's a 7.5, and then the width options is a B, a medium, and then add bag. As you can see, add to bag is pretty much add to cart for Zappos. After that, proceed to checkout, and then during checkout, you're gonna be asked for your credit card. There are a few options: credit card, Amazon Pay, PayPal, and Afterpay. But for a lot of people will use either credit card or PayPal, right? Most of the time, it's going to be credit or debit. So just fill in the information here. After that, you can place your order. But of course, you need to have your billing address all sorted out, and you will be good to go. Yeah, and at the same time, another thing, if you're an Amazon employee or you work for Amazon, you can get discounts from Zappos. And yeah, pretty much it. This video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.